Okay, here's the next one. These are going to be some verb stamps and some others, and I'll show them. The first one, and these are all the clear stamps. This one is called Enjoy. It's sort of a two-step stamping with the little butterfly there. You got the outline here, and then the solid piece, and then it's got the body and the antenna. Now, oh, and I think this is another antenna. They just did a straight one instead of a curved one like this, so you could stamp that twice for the antenna. And it's just got a little thing here. It looks like maybe you could put the butterfly up here on this one, and then it's got a couple of sentiments. Okay. The next verb one is called Grateful Elegance. And here, this got a cute little background stamp here. I hope you can see that. There's another little border stamp over here. And then the flowers. And some sentiments. Now you got three same flowers but different sizes, so you could like stack them. Now I'm including with this one that they sell separately. And it's a bigger one. It's a bigger flower. So you can have the big flower as well as the three small ones that you can stack. And you can stack these, you know, have 4 if you want to. So, and I just put this in the back of it. Alright. And then the next one is called Heart's Desire from Verve. This is like a Valentine's one. Like that right there. Alright, now the next 3 are going to be from Stampin' Scrappin'. These will are compatible with your Spellbinders Nestability dies. And it's going to be the smaller ones because these are small stamps, but I'll show you the first one here. They're all really great sentiment stamps as far as just like Happy Thanksgiving, Happy Father's Day, Mother's Day, birthday, holidays, Memorial Day. You know, it's got all those little days in there, and you can stamp them in these little frames here. And in the frames, like I think this frame right here is a number 4, the 4 frame, label 4, I think. And I think this is 4 as well, but it's smaller. And then these 2, I don't know if it's maybe 2 or not sure exactly which one that is. And I think this is label 8 here and here. So you can stamp it in there and get your labels and cut them out, or you can hand cut them, just, you know, whatever. Alright, and the next one is the same way. I'm not sure. This one is the oval. I'm not sure which oval it is because, you know, they've got 2 different kinds of ovals. And then I'm not really sure which label that is, but here's some more. This one's Best Wishes, You're Invited, Get Well Soon, Time to Celebrate, Sent with Love, and Thanks So Much. And then here's like a little longer one here. Okay, same thing on this one, but these are really small. I've used these a couple of times, not all of them though. But I really like this stamp because this one has the little bitty ones that you can do, and I'm not really sure. Of course, this is a circle. You could do this with a punch or your circle labels. Same thing with these. I don't know that I've seen. This looks like a really long oval, so I don't know if you'd have to cut that out or what. Let me see. This one, it may not, they're not all, I don't think they're all Spellbinders, but it may be a different kind too. You can read the back of that, but anyway, you could use these as tags or whatever, but they're so small and cute, and all these little sentiments you could use on, you know, other things too, but they're all cute. Here's the back. It's got all the information on it. Okay, so this one is going to be $20 shipped. Let's see. Let me get all my verbs together. $20 shipped, US shipping only. I know I keep saying this on every one. I probably shouldn't. If you're doing this giveaway thing, you should know it's US shipping only, PayPal friends and family payments only, and just let me know in the comments if you'd like it and I'll get it to you. Thanks a lot. Bye.